So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and samahan niyo po akong i-open ang ating na-receive na gift which is from Dubai. So guys, saka-plastic po ito actually but hindi ko na siya na-videohan na galing po siya sa loob ng plastic since I'm very excited para i-open po ito. So this is a pasalubong from my husband which is nabili niya daw nung time na nagtra-travel sila pauwing Pilipinas. So guys, I really love kahit yung box pa lang kasi sobrang kapal po niya and kapag sabi ka talaga na it's super quality. So nabili po siya sa Al Sulaiman Jewelry. So ito na po guys yung earrings natin. So ganyan lang po siya kaliit. It's an 18 karat earring gold and also yung nakikita nyong puti ay diamond po siya. So yes po, real diamond po yung makikita nyong kulay white but it's really tiny or ang liit-liit niya. So this one, meron po siyang kasama parang pouch ng ating earrings. Gusto ko sanang i-ask if magkano ang presyo niya since curious lang ako. But then, since it's a gift, so never mind na lang. So guys, first time po nating makareceive ng jewelry na mayroong certification galing sa IDT or the largest independent laboratory network for testing and grading gemstone and fine jewelry. So guys, ito po yung earrings natin and of course this is the laboratory report. So this one is an original and makikita nyo dito yung description, yung weight ng ating earring. So that is 0.63 grams and also some informations ay makikita din natin dito. And dito sa ibaba ay meron tayo ditong mga shapes of diamond. So, yung diamond ng ating earrings is a round shape. Amazed na amazed talaga ako kasi yung earrings ko ay na-test talaga and of course merong gemologist na nag-test dito. So, the name is Wanan Bishmain. I don't know if tama nga ba ang pagkakapronounce. So guys, ang IDT pala is the most trusted name in diamond grading and gemstone identification. And it is also one of the largest independent laboratory network for testing and grading of gemstones and fine jewelry. So IDT, which empowers and enables jewelry brands, manufacturers, wholesalers, end-use customer, and the masses in general to get a third-party certification for its lost and stud gemstones, diamonds, and jewelry. So guys, since meron tayong certification number ay pwede nating i-verify or i-check ito via online para ma-prove natin or it's a proof na original po yung jewelry natin. So guys, that's all for today's video and thank you so much for always supporting our video and I hope nagustuhan nyo rin yung product na in-open natin ngayon. So, see you again in our next vlog and goodbye and God bless.